Welcome back to the video class, dear children. Today in this video class we shall show how to solve some questions pick up from exercise 4.3. So I pick up here 3 questions and we will show how to solve these 3 examples questions one by one. First one, let's pick up A. In A, the equation is 2 times x plus 4 equal to 12. After this, next what to do? In every simplification, we have to apply BODMAS rule. So, we shall operate BODMAS rule, that is distributive property. So, here 2 will multiply with x, 2 into x. Then plus 2 will multiply with 4, 2 into 4 equal to 12. 2 into x will give 2x plus 2 4s are 8 equal to 12. Our aim is to find the value of the variable x. So the term having no x will be shifted to the right side with the change of the sign. This plus will be minus when it goes to the right side. So 2x remain unchanged on the left side and 12 already on the right side, and this I bring this side, then this will be minus 8. 2x equal to 12 minus 8 gives 4. Then to find x, 4 will be divided by this coefficient of x, that is 2, equal to 2. So this is the solution of the first question, that is 2 times x plus 4 equal to 12. This 2 is solution of the equation, means when we put 2 here, 2 plus 4, 6 into 2, 12, and on the right side 12, 12 equal to 12, which is true. So x equal to 2 is the solution of the first equation. In this case also, as there is bracket, we shall operate the bracket by using distributive property of multiplication. This is 3 into n minus 3 into 5 equal to 21. Then 3 into n, 3 into n gives 3n, minus 3 5s are 15, equal to 21. Here also the variable is n. We want to find the value of n. So the term having n, that is 3n, should remain unchanged on the left side. And this minus 15, which is free from n, will be going to the right side with the change of the sign, that is minus will become plus. So it gives 3n equal to 21 plus 15. 3n equal to 21 plus 15, 36. Then to find n, 36 will be divided by 3, which gives 12. So 12 is the solution of the second equation. That is when you replace n by 12, 12 minus 5, 7. 7 3s are 21. On the left side, 21. On the right side also 21, which is true. So n equal to 12 is the correct solution of the second equation. Let's go to the third equation, that is C, minus 4 times 2 plus x equal to 8. This also same as in the past 2 questions, we will apply distributive property. So minus 4 into 2, then plus minus 4 into x equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus. Plus minus minus. 4 into x, 4x equal to 8. Here also the variable is x. So the term having the variable that is minus 4x will remain unchanged on the left side. And the other one free from x, that is minus sign, will be going to the right side with the change of the sign. That is, this minus will become plus. So minus 4x remain unchanged, and 8 already here. This comes this side, it becomes plus. Eight plus 8, 16. Then x equal to 16 divided by minus 4. 4 4s are 16. Minus plus minus. Here plus is there, so minus plus minus. So minus 4 is the solution of the third question. Here see, when you replace x by minus 4, 2 plus minus 4 will give minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8, which gives right hand side. So this is the correct solution of the last equation. So like this, if there is bracket, bracket should be operated first. Then you have to keep the term having the variable on one side, and those having no other variable will be shifted, collected on the other side, and after that you can find the value of the variable. Okay, let's wind up here for this video class, and remaining will be done in the next video class. Thank you.